Hello students, today we are going to learn Thales theorem, that is also called basic proportionality theorem, and in short it is called BPT. So first of all we should know the statement of this theorem. Statement is that a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So here you see we have a triangle ABC in which this line DE is parallel to BC. It is given. We want to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So first of all, after drawing the figure, we will have to write what is given in that theorem. Only that statement will come in the exam, or sometimes they will ask you to write the statement also. The theorems which are popularly known like Thales theorem, Pythagoras theorem, in that case in exam they may ask you write the statement or state and prove Thales theorem or state and prove Pythagoras theorem. So in that case you will have to learn the statement also, and moreover you should know the statement, otherwise how can you recognize which theorem has come? They will not mention it is a theorem or sum or whatever. You will have to decide yourself. So after drawing the figure, you will have to write what is given in that one. So here we have given triangle ABC. In that one, D is parallel to BC. That is given. For these steps also marks are there in the exam. So you will have to write them. After that, what we want to prove? We want to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Already I have explained. Thereafter, whatever we do extra thing in the given figure, that is called construction. So here we will do construction. What I have done construction, draw DM perpendicular to AC. DM I have drawn perpendicular to AC. Similarly, EN perpendicular to AB. Also we have joined BE and CD. So whatever we have done extra, that will come in construction. So that is construction. After that, proof. Main thing of the theorem is proof. So first of all we will write area of triangle ADE, this triangle ADE, and upon area of triangle BDE, this triangle BDE, is equal to, now area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So if you take AD base, then height will be EN, and in case of triangle BDE, base we will take DB, then height will be EN. Because BDE is an obtuse triangle, so in obtuse triangle its height can be outside the triangle. Here you can see BDE is a triangle and its height EN is outside the triangle. So it is possible in case of obtuse triangle. So here area of triangle AD is equal to 1 by 2 into base, that is AD, and height is EN. Similarly, the area of triangle BDE will be equal to half into base, that is DB, and height is EN. So 1 by 2 and EN will be cancelled. After cancellation, AD by DB will be left. That is equation number 1. Again we will take area of triangle ADE. Here also we took same. Here also same triangle will be taken, but in the denominator, in place of BDE we will take triangle CED. Now when we take this set of triangles, in that case base will be changed. According to the proof, what we want to prove, we will have to take one time we will take ADDB and one time we will take AE and EC. So in this case, in the upper triangle, base will be AE. When you take AE, then height will be DM. So here DM will be taken height. In case of denominator, base will be EC. So height will be DM. Here also 1 by 2 and DM will be cancelled. So AE by EC is left. That is second equation. Now we have learnt in the 9th class that if two triangles are on same base, here you see BDE triangle and CED triangle are on same base, that base is DE, and between same parallels, these are two parallel lines. So if two triangles are on same base and between same parallels, then their areas will be equal. That's why their areas will be equal. Area of BDE is equal to area of CED. That is equation number 3. Triangles on the same base DE and between same parallels DE and BC. Now from first, second and third, equation 1, 2 and 3, you see in equation 1 numerator and here in equation 2 numerator are equal. So if we prove that these denominators are equal, then left side will be equal to left side. That's why right side will also become equal to right side. So we have seen that area of triangle BDE and CED are equal. We have proved in the equation 3. So left side will become equal. That's why from 1, 2 and 3 this AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC, and that is the proof, and that is Thales theorem. I think you understood. If you understood, you share it with your friends. Thank you, students.